More World War II veterans are making their way to Washington, D.C. to visit the World War II Memorial. National Park Service sites closed because of the ongoing government shutdown, but after public outcry, the National Park Service is allowing veterans groups in. Now, the shutdown is having an impact on honor flight programs across the country, including the Appleton-based Old Glory honor flight.
It provides an expenses-paid trip for veterans to visit their war memorials, and Fox 11's Laura Smith has more.
The first wave of veterans to arrive in D.C. Tuesday breached the barrier to get into the World War II Memorial. Several lawmakers were on hand to escort them.
We're trying to protect the lives and the health care of these wonderful veterans who did for us.
Early Wednesday morning, more veterans planned to enter the closed memorial.
We had worse times to get into places than the shutdown government, so I don't think that'll bother us a bit. We'll get in.
And they did. In a statement on the closure of the national memorials in D.C., the National Park Service said Wednesday, the honor flights are being granted access to the World War II Memorial to conduct First Amendment activities in accordance with National Park Service regulations.
It's kind of a wonderful thing to see.
Roland Kinshu lives in Green Bay. The 88-year-old World War II veteran is hearing impaired. But when I talked with him, he said he's excited to go on an upcoming trip to D.C. with Old Glory Honor Flight.
Well, I've never been down to Washington.
Kinshu will join the group on its 21st mission October 17th. 84 World War II, Vietnam, and Korean War veterans will be making the journey.
We will fly regardless of what happens with the government shutdown.
Old Glory Honor Flight officials say they are pleased to see the World War II Memorial is now open to veterans.
Our plan is to go to the memorials, starting with the World War II Memorial. We will see about the Korean, Vietnam, and Lincoln memorials, and we hopefully will be able to visit Iwo Jima.
Van Kampen says no matter what happens, she's determined veterans will get their well-deserved tour of honor.
We have the availability to change up our itinerary and still give these veterans a very, very happy day.
Laura Smith, Fox 11 News.
The Republican National Committee says it would pay for the personnel needed to open the World War II Memorial to all visitors for the next 30 days. Democrats labeled that a stunt, saying they've already been working on a plan to open the memorial and the entire government.